You get maximum protection, and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and the fingers. So it's pretty cool. And this is made in the USA. I like that. Great quality. Moving on. So this video has a lot to do with safety and sanitation, as well as what's happening in the world around us right now. Viruses, airborne, contact, food, plastic, shoes, droplets, sneezing, coughing, whatever. Hey, it's going on. You know what's going on. So I wear these latex gloves. These are size large. One size fits everybody, pretty much. I mean, they're stretchable, they're durable, they're tough. I like them and they work. If you're having a hard time finding these are boxes of 100. Super good quality. It's a natural latex. It's powder free. It's size large. They're in stock at your sponsor. I just wanted to share that with you. I wear these gloves when I'm working with chicken. I wear them when I'm working with fish. I wear them when I'm butchering deer, lamb, sheep, beef, elk, moose, bear, whatever I'm butchering. I wear them sometimes when I'm gardening. Well, you figure, well, why would you wear them gardening? Well, if you're picking tomatoes or you're picking squash and you're all done, you got a basket full, they're all dirty. You got to wash them off. So these are perfect for that. You probably could reuse them a few times, but the main thing is you're not going to be touching other surfaces that may or may not have germs. I suggest you put these on when you go grocery shopping or out in public. It's a great idea if you're taking public transportation that you are using some gloves. Doesn't matter to me if you're using winter gloves, dishwashing gloves, rubber gloves, plastic gloves, whatever. There are cheaper quality out there, but this stuff's good. I like them. They're stretchable and they last for quite a few hours of use, so they're good. They're in stock at your sponsor again right there, and the exact link I'm going to try to put in down below. Lots of more videos, interesting stuff coming up. I'm going to be reviewing all kinds of different products. There's recipes coming up and lots of other stuff. Make sure you click that little subscribe button right down there. Subscribe so that we know you're out there and you'll get to see what's happening next. Also, there's a little bell down there. If you click that little bell, notification bell, it lets you know a new video just popped up on this channel. That's it. Get cooking, be cool, be safe, and most of all, have a great day. Okay, taking a closer look here at the garlic. We've got so many different things going on here. First of all, as you know, it's a bulb, and each bulb contains all these little cloves. It's a natural product. It's harvested, it's clipped off right there, removed and dried. It's dried and it packs all this natural flavor. These are the best butcher blocks you can buy. Perfect for holidays, makes a great gift. This is an heirloom that will be last for a lifetime. I really like them. Chefs use them on TV, in restaurants and hotels. You can too. Visit the sponsor, free shipping. Have a great day.